Now students, good morning to all of you. Now exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters, subtend and right angle at the center. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeters, subtend and right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and corresponding major segment. That was the first question. Textbook question only, so I am not writing question here. Please listen carefully here. Textbook question only, so I am not writing question. Okay. Okay, exercise 9.3, first problem. Textbook question only, so I am not writing questions here. Direct. A chord of a circle of radius 10 cm, subtend an angle, subtend a right angle at the center. This is circle. This is AB chord. O is the center of the circle. Ten centimeters radius. Find the minor segment means here, major segment means is other than minor segment. Here pi value particularly they mentioned 3.14, so you must use only 3.14 only. A chord of a circle of radius. See here, O is the center of the circle. And OA is equal to OB is equal to radius is equal to 10 centimeter. AB is equal to chord of the circle. AB is a chord of the circle. They did not mention anything here. Chord length they did not mention here. Okay, they did not give any length of the chord here. Now area of the minor segment means segment is this one. Minor is this one only, minor segment. To find out this area of the minor segment from this whole sector, if I subtract the triangle, that's enough. Now angle is equal to theta is equal to 90 degrees. Central angle made by this chord is 90 degrees here. Angle at the center is 90 degrees. So since it is a 90 degrees, now OAB becomes as a right angled triangle. OAB becomes as a right angled triangle. So that implies triangle OAB is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angled triangle formula we have half into base into height to find out the area. So area of minor segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So area of direct I am doing here in this topic mensuration and areas, tangents and secants, so whatever the calculation are there at a time I will take, so that cancellation will be easy. You will get a common also. Area of minor segment is equal to area of minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. From this sector OAB triangle area subtract. Now this is equal to area of sector is equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square minus half into base into height, because the right angle triangle now direct half into base into height you may get. Okay, base also 10 only, height also 10 only. In right angle triangle, if this is right angle, this is base and this height. Since it is a radius, both radius are base and height means that radius only height and base. So theta is about 90 degrees by 360 degrees into 3.14 into radius of the circle is 10. 10 into 10 minus 1 by 2 into 10 into 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Here point after 1 4 2 digits are there. Here 0 0 2 zeros are there, will get cancelled. 9 ones are 9 fours are. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 314 minus 5 tens are 50. How I got 314? Point after 2 digits are there. Here 10 10 is there, 2 zeros are there, 2 zeros cancelled and that decimal part comes under in a integral part. Now area of minor segment is equal to that is a will you get cancellation? 4 7 are 28, 3 4. I think I don't get any cancellation here. 314 divided into 4, 4 7 are 28, 3 4, 4 8 are 32, 2.0, 4 5 are 20. Okay, now check that one. 4 5 are 20, 4 8 are 32 plus 2 34, 4 7 are 28 plus 3 31. Okay, 78.5. 78.5 minus 50, that is equal to 28.5 centimeter square. This is area of minor segment. Area of minor segment. Now what you require here? Area of major segment. Area of major segment is equal to area of circle. From this whole circle, if I subtract minor segment enough, area of circle minus area of minor segment. Minor segment. Area of a whole circle is 3.14 into 10 into 10. Pi r square, no? Direct I am writing. Minus 28.5. That is equal to 314 minus 28.5. 314.0, 28.5, 10 minus 5, 5 point. Now here 13 minus 8 is 13 minus 8. How much? 5. Okay. 10 minus 2 is 8. Am I correct? Check one subtraction. 314 minus 28.5. 314 minus 28.5. 285.5. 285.5 means this is a major segment area. Okay. Once again I am explaining here. They given here question is a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtend a right angle at the center. Find the area of minor segment, corresponding minor segment, area of corresponding major segment. O is the center of a circle, OA and OB is a radius, AB is a chord, and angle is central angle is 90 degrees they given. So this is 90 degrees now. This in this triangle, this is only base and this is only height. So triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. Now they asked the minor segment area. Area of minor segment is equal to area of whole sector minus area of triangle. Area of a sector means theta by 360 into pi r square minus half into base into height. 10 into 10. Now 90 by 360 into 3.14. In particular they mentioned in question. So 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus half into 10 into 10. 0 0 cancel 9 1 9 4 is 314 by 4 minus 5 10 are 50. Now this value is 78.5 minus 50, that equal to 28.5. This is minor segment area. Now major segment area is this one. area of a circle minus area of a minor segment. Area of a circle minus area of a minor segment. That is a 314 minus 28.5. That equal to 285.5. Please write down. Still any doubts are there? Please let me know that one by texting. So I move to the second question. When textbook questions I am discussing, I am not writing the questions here. Please go through in your textbook only questions. Now next one is a chord of a circle is 12 centimeters. Second question, direct second question only. Textual second question. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters subtend an angle 120 degrees. This is a circle. O is the center of a circle. AB is a chord. OA and OB are the radius. And this angle is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Radius is 12 centimeters. Same model, but right angle means there we have a direct half into base into height formula we can use. But this is the obtuse angle triangle they given. It's a obtuse angle triangle 120 degrees they given. So O is a center of the circle. OA is equal to OB is equal to radius of the circle 12 centimeter. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment of the circle. And pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.732 we have to use. Here we will get a root 3 value also I think. So AB is a chord of the circle and angle AOB is equal to theta is equal to 120 degrees. If they given a right angle, direct I can use it as a by using the half into base into height formula we can find out the area of the triangle. But here you can't find out the area of the triangle direct because it is an obtuse angle triangle. It is an obtuse angle triangle. So you can't consider this as a base and this as a height because it is obtuse angle. If it is a 90 degrees, one base, one height we can take. Okay. So here draw OM is perpendicular to AB. Draw OM is perpendicular to AB. From the right triangle, if you draw a perpendicular line, this will bisect the angle 60 degrees and 60 degrees. 60 degrees and 60 degrees. And this AB divided into two equal parts. Now, then angle AOM is equal to angle BOM is equal to 120 degrees by 2, 60 degrees. Angular bisector I draw. Okay, angular bisector I draw. This perpendicular line only, angular bisector here. When you draw this perpendicular line, this angle 120 degrees divided into 60 and 60. And this AB will divide into two equal parts only. A line drawn from a center to the chord perpendicularly bisect the chord. By using that concept, this AM is equal to MB. Angle AOM is equal to angle BOM is equal to 60 degrees. Now, in triangle, if you consider this as a perpendicular line, this will be the base of this whole triangle. Okay, for this whole triangle, this is a base and this is a perpendicular altitude. So I don't know altitude as well as a base also. I am going to find out with the help of the trigonometric functions. Okay, trigonometric functions for this only you remember till the trigonometry introduction, remember the simple concept sine and cos ratios. Here in triangle AOM, angle AOM is equal to 60 degrees. If I apply sine 60 degrees, sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So sine 60 degrees is equal to opposite side of the angle by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is sine 60 degrees opposite value is what is opposite here? Now sine 60 degrees. 60 degrees opposite angle is opposite side is AM. Hypotenuse is OA. Sin theta value is sin theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse using this formula. Now sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is equal to AM value we don't know. OA value is 12. Now you can cancel this one because equal to is there. Ratios denominator you can cancel it. Is 2 1s, 2 6s. Now or else still any doubts are there? Don't cancel it. Again somebody may confuse it. Cross multiply here. 2 into AM is equal to root 3 into 12. Now you cancel 2 1s, 2 6s. AM is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. Then what is AB? AB is equal to 2 times of AM. That is equal to 2 into 6 root 3. That is equal to 12 root 3 centimeters. What is this one? AB line. Base I got. Now I need the altitude. To find out the altitude, cos you apply. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta formula is adjacent side by hypotenuse. In cos, adjacent side is theta is this one you are considering. Adjacent is connecting side, means OM. Cos 60 degrees is equal to OM by hypotenuse is OA. Cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2. Okay, cos 60 is equal to sin 30. 1 by 2 is equal to OM by 12. Now cross multiply again. 2 into OM is equal to 12 into 1. 2 1s, 2 6s. OM is equal to 6 centimeters. Now minor segment area find out. Area of minor segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. So area of the sector is theta by 360 degrees into pi r square minus half into base into height. That is equal to theta is 120. Theta means complete angle you have to take. This angular bisector we took only to find out the base and height. 120 by 360 degrees into 3.14 into 12 into 12 minus half into 6 into 12 root 3. Is it visible to everyone? Let me check that. Now 121 does 123 does 3 1 does 3 4 does. That is equal to 3.14 into 12 4 does 48 minus 2 1 does 2 3 does 12 3 does 36 root 3. Now multiply this 3.14 into 48. Multiply them. 3.14 into 150.72. Again 26 into 1.732. This is equal to 150.72 minus 36 into 1.732 root 3 value. 1.732 into 36, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19, 6 7s are 42 plus 1 43, 6 1s are 6 plus 4 10. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. 2, 15, 10, 13, 2, 6, 3 digits of a point. That is equal to 150.72 minus 62.352. Subtract them. 150.72, 62.352. 10 minus 2 8, 11 minus 5 6, 6 minus 3 3, 10 minus 2 8, 15 minus 6 is 14 minus 6 is 8. That is equal to 88.368 centimeters square. Area no square units only. Okay. O is the center of a circle they given. OA, OB as a radius. AB is a chord length they did not given. They did not give any chord length there. So that I drawn a perpendicular line OM perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular line divides the chord into two equal parts. So 120. This is 120 degrees also divided into 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Now I got the two right angle triangles. From this right angle triangle I applied a trigonometric ratios. Without trigonometric ratios you don't get the solutions are here. If you take the trigonometric ratios, that is the only easiest one. Okay. So by sin 60 degrees means opposite side by hypotenuse. So using that I got the AM is 6 root 3, but AB is base no. So AB is equal to 12 root 3. Next cos 60 degrees equal adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is equal to OM is equal to 6 centimeters I got. Now area of the minor segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. While taking the area of the triangle, half into base means AB, height means OM. Now 6 into 12 root 3, 2 1s are 2 3s are 12, 36 root 3. This is 120 by 360 is 3, 3 4s are 12, 12 4s are 48 into 3.14. This 36 into 1.732. This value is 150.72 and this is 62.352. If I simplify, then I get a 88.368 centimeters square. Please write down. Okay, here I used the trigonometric ratios by drawing a perpendicular line OM perpendicular to AB. Okay, next a few more questions will be discussed in the next class. Okay, this is first two problems of exercise 9.3.